72-hour fast complete. It's time to take the golden flesh and fucking sizzle, bitch. Alright, 2 minutes on one side, flip this beast over. Oh yeah, look at that shit. If your fire alarm isn't going off, you aren't properly sizzling. After another 2 minutes, we got the butter, thyme, and garlic. And that bitch is going in the oven to finish. Yeah, boy, fucking sizzling that bitch. And if your kitchen doesn't look this kino while you're cooking steak, you're doing it wrong. All right, it's been 9 minutes. We're gonna take this beast out of the oven. Should be good to go. Woo! Now that is a beast looking steak. Get it off the fucking hot grill right away. Otherwise it's gonna overcook. And don't worry about the juices. We'll throw those on in a second. But let's cover this up for a few minutes. These fries are done. Let's toss those. Alright boys, we're gonna season up these fries and get the steak ready. Show you the final results. Alright, so we put this beast on the cutting board and it's looking like it's maybe medium rare. It's looking good. So we're gonna put these slices on a pretzel bun with some onions, pickles, and pepper jack cheese. I'll show you the final result. So there we have it, the final result. Got a ribeye steak sandwich with pepper jack cheese, onions, pickles, and don't hate me, but I love the ketchup and mustard on a steak sandwich. And of course the waffle fries, nice and seasoned. But there's one final touch, and that's the fucking drizzle, bitch. Oh, fuck yeah. Get a little bit of that steak juice on there, boy. Yeah. Alright, let's just assemble this beast and take a look at the final result. Look at that. Have you seen anything more beautiful than that? Well, unless you've 72-hour fasted like I did, probably not. I'm gonna enjoy this and eat the rest of this bad boy. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.